In this video, I will show you how to remove or replace a Honda Activa 3G drive belt. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will get a notification every time I release a new video. So come on, let's start the video. So to replace the drive belt, you will have to take this entire casing out first. Now this casing is holded with 10 bolts. Those 10 bolts you will have to take out now. So take a 8mm T-spanner and take all these bolts out. Some bolts will be slightly on the interior side. If you have an extension like this, then it becomes very easy to take those bolts out. As you can see here how easily this bolt is come out now, because it becomes a tough time to put a T-spanner here. So if you want an extension part like this, I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and buy this part on my affiliate link. If you do that, I will get a slight commission on that. Now under this air filter box there will be 2 bolts which are of 10mm, which needs a 10mm socket. So take those 2 bolts out as well. Once you take all these bolts out, see that you keep them in a safe place, because you need all these bolts while putting this back. Now when you come on the downside, you will see a bolt here. This bolt also you will have to remove. If you try to take out the casing and if it is not coming out, it means that you have not taken out a bolt. So check which bolt you have not taken out and take out that bolt. Once you take out all the bolts, pull the casing out like this. Now this casing will be connected to a pipe. Now leave this pipe connection. Now this is not compulsory, but this casing is coming in between. That's why I am taking it out. Now as you can see here, my belt is totally correct. I can use this belt for few more kilometers, but I will not take that risk. If I go slightly far away with this bike and if this belt gets cut, I will be held up there, which I don't want. That's why I will replace this belt. So to take this belt out, you will have to take out this clutch assembly first. To take out this clutch assembly, you will need this tool. This tool you will have to place on the clutch like this. I have shown the same process on the Suzuki XS as well. So put this tool like this and you will need a 19mm socket, and you will have to take the nut out which is in the middle. It will need a 19mm socket. So take this 19mm socket and take out this nut. Now this nut will be very tight. Sometimes you will have to use a long pipe to loosen this nut, but be careful, don't slip this nut. Once this nut becomes loose, you can take it out easily like this. Once you take this nut out, the top clutch casing will come out easily like this. Now you will have to pull the clutch assembly out like this. This assembly will not come out that easily, so you will have to press the belt and put it inside little bit. Once you put the belt in, you can take out the clutch assembly easily like this. Once the assembly is out, separate the belt from it, and as you can see here, my clutch shoes are worn out completely. This bike was not even taking good pickup. Now how to replace these clutch liners, that I will show you in another video. If you want a video on that, then see that you comment below and let me know. Now there will be a wheel here on top. Take this wheel out and keep it on the side. Now pull the belt out and separate it from the bike completely. So here comes out my old belt, and as you can see how it was cracked. Now this I will replace with a new one. So here is my new belt, and it cost me 455 rupees for this belt. So this one I will put now. So this is my new belt now. Just check how it is when it is new. So take the belt and put it inside in this corner here, and from top side rotate the wheel like how you put the chain of a cycle. Like that you will have to put this belt inside. Once this belt goes inside, now you will have to put this belt on the clutch assembly. To put this belt on the clutch assembly, get the clutch assembly and put the belt in position. Once you put the belt in position, you will have to press the belt like this so that it will go inside of the assembly. How it should go inside, that I will show you now in this video. As you can see here, now the belt is gone inside. Like this it should go inside, so that you can put the clutch assembly in position properly. Once you press in the belt like this, your clutch assembly will now easily slide inside. So here my clutch assembly is now in position. Now put back the top cover, then put the visor, then put back the nut which you had taken out. Once you put back the nut, once again you will have to put this tool in position and tighten it. Once you tighten this nut, your drive belt is now replaced. If your bike starts, then you can now start the bike and check. Before starting the bike, see that you put this wheel back which you had taken out. Once you put this wheel back, there is a cover which comes on top of this wheel. This is the wheel cover. Put back this cover now, and once you put back this cover, now you can put back the entire cover. And with that, your drive belt is now replaced. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen Fernandez signing out until we meet again.